The Terra Luna Classic community is excited this morning, and that's because, well, Terra Luna Classic's price is moving nicely higher. We're back above that 14,000 point per coin range, and that is a huge mark of success, breaking back up above that level of resistance. Now, the thing is, it didn't break up because of anything to do with Terra Luna Classic. We don't have any new proposals out there, any new real excitement out there, any new innovation, or any burns for that matter, but Bitcoin. Bitcoin proving to be king in a very uncertain time, and that is reverberating through the cryptocurrency community right now and through different cryptocurrency projects. We're going to be talking a little bit about that, and of course we're going to be talking about what's going on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, because if you guys haven't noticed yet or haven't seen anywhere, FTX is moving billions of Terra Luna Classic, and this is some very interesting information. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want it to be your asset, mitigate that risk, you need to hold it in a cold storage or a DeFi wallet. But guys, let's talk about what's going on in the crypto market and what's going on in the Terra Luna Classic space right now. We're going to start with Terra Luna Classic, and then we'll go over and talk about why the price is ripping up right now. Because a lot of people are very excited about it, but headlines floating around everywhere showing that FTX has transferred out 82 billion Terra Luna Classic from their wallets over to KuCoin and Binance exchanges in a 1-week period. That is a massive outflow, and in the articles and the Twitter posts that are floating around out there are partially incorrect, okay? A lot of the narrative that's being pushed, or the story that's being pushed, is that's why the price of Terra Luna Classic isn't moving up. And this is untrue, okay? If people are selling Terra Luna Classic and they're putting it back into liquidity pools, the price, of course, would not go up. It would, in fact, go down. It would be very stagnant. But just the fact that somebody is moving coins from one wallet to another wallet, doesn't matter if it's Terra Luna Classic at that point, anytime you're just moving from one wallet to another wallet, that has nothing to do with price. That does not affect the price. The only way that could indirectly affect the price of Terra Luna Classic, or any other coin for that matter, is if it caused an emotional reaction. And the emotional reaction, therefore, caused other people to sell their Terra Luna Classic. So you've got to put this entire thing into perspective, and you can't just believe. You can believe everything on the internet if you want to believe everything on the internet, but you're going to get yourself into a pretty sticky situation if that's the case. So don't believe everything you see on the internet, even this video. You're watching it on the internet, right? But nonetheless, guys, if somebody's just moving, think about it yourself, right? If you move some of your Terra Luna Classic from one of your wallets to another one of your wallets, that has nothing to do with the price. It does not affect the liquidity in the coin. It does not affect the demand for the coin or anything for that matter. So we do not know the reason why FTX is moving billions of Terra Luna Classic. And, you know, of course, I don't think that the bankruptcy attorneys or the bankruptcy judge or the new CEO, I don't think that they're going to reveal that type of information and make it publicly known. So it is pure speculation right now. They're moving the coins nonetheless, but the reason they're moving the coins would be pure speculation up to this point. So just know that the only way that it could actually affect the price is if it indirectly caused some sort of an emotional response and caused others to sell their Terra Luna Classic. Now, of course, this part is very strange to me. You've got people calling for a burning of those Terra Luna Classic. Those belong to people, man. Those were deposits on the FTX exchange. You can't just take somebody else's Terra Luna Classic and burn it there. That, one, doesn't make any sense, and two, that would be theft. So we're not going to be burning any of the FTX that was held, or any of the Terra Luna Classic that was held on the FTX exchange. And as a matter of fact, it's very strange, but the Terra Luna Classic community is wholeheartedly against burns right now. It's the strangest thing I've ever seen. People have been brainwashed over the last couple of months to not just no longer want burns, but hate Terra Luna Classic burns. That 0.8% burn tax, 14% yes votes. Remember, we had 99+% yes votes when people first wanted to burn Terra Luna Classic. And then these developers came in and just instilled the idea in people that you can't burn, it's bad to burn, you should be paying us instead. So now, 31% of the votes are abstains, 50% are no's, and another 4% are no with vetoes. So it does not seem like we are going to be passing any Terra Luna Classic burn proposals anytime soon, until, of course, people shift their focus once again and kind of gain a new perspective when it comes to burning Terra Luna Classic, because yeah, I think that people have been lied to long enough with that, and it's really caused them to vote heavily against any new burns. So guys, we get a lot going on with the Terra Luna Classic community in terms of FTX floating around out there, these burn proposals being shot down like fish in a barrel, and it all boils down to the price action. People love the price action regardless of what's moving it higher. And right now, Bitcoin is moving Terra Luna Classic and the entire cryptocurrency market higher. Bitcoin is soaring in the face of banks dying. Banks across the world right now are being revealed for the Ponzi schemes that they are. And that's just a true statement. Bank deposits are not backed. They are not guaranteed. They are simply numbers on a screen. And when the world realizes, which they should, that money is not actually in the bank, those banks fail. Because those banks go out and make risky loans that they don't ever have to pay back. It is an insane business model, and people continue to trust in them. Why? Because our leaders tell us to. They tell you to continue trusting in the banking system, continue to have confidence in the banking system. But I am telling you right now, with Bitcoin soaring in the face of financial collapse over the last week, from $19,000 to $28,000. If this kind of focus shift from an investment to a risky investment at that, to a financial safe haven continues, Bitcoin could be soaring beyond our wildest beliefs over the next couple of months. As, gosh, you can't name names or parties or anything. As they destroy the monetary system that we know across the globe. And if Bitcoin remains king, if Bitcoin remains true, the price is going to rocket higher. It is going to take Terra Luna Classic with it, and it is going to take the cryptocurrency market with it. Because true decentralization is very, very difficult, if not impossible, to manipulate and destroy. I want to know what you guys think about Terra Luna Classic down in the comments below. If that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.